Hello, today we're gonna make Thai sweet potato balls, which are considered Thai street food, or at least that's what happened when I looked it up. So that's what we're gonna do today because I need to make these for my geography class. Hi, Dr. Kukul. So anyway, we're gonna be using, this is sugar and flour, salt, tapioca starch, baking powder, and cinnamon, and then also sweet potatoes. So luckily for you, I already boiled the sweet potatoes and I have them right here and I mashed them. They're still kind of warm, but hopefully they'll be okay to work with. I've also never made these before. I didn't test this, so we're gonna be doing this together. So the first thing that we're gonna do is, okay, I did that. Combine the mashed sweet potatoes with tapioca starch, sugar, salt, and cinnamon, and then stir together. So, hold on. Actually, I already measured all the stuff out because I did not want to do that on camera as this is not my recipe. This is actually from the Thai cookbook, and I will provide the link down below. But for now, I'll just tell you kind of what I'm putting in it, again, because it's not mine, so I feel like that's wrong to do. Okay, so now we need to combine everything not into this bowl because it's too small. Okay, not in that one. Okay, let's move you. Okay. Oh. I just need to get a spatula. Okay, so that was the sweet potato. Do you want to come in closer so I don't have to be on the camera? He's so good. Am I still on the camera? That's really flattering. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is going to be the tapioca starch. Oh, really sorry. Sorry. Do it like that. Do you see that? It's kind of like chalky. It's really interesting. I don't know what else we can use this for. Okay, I'm going to put these out of the way. Eric can do them later, of course. Thank you, Eric. Okay, and then we're going to do the sugar. And cinnamon. And then this is baking powder. Yeah, so we're gonna add that. And okay, that's really good. I did not add the flour. I thought that would have been bad because you're not supposed to do that. So add everything but the flour. That would have been really nice to say. This smells really good. I feel like if you could put marshmallows in the middle of this and take these to Thanksgiving. We should do that this year. Did I talk about why I selected this?
No.
That's so important. Okay, so I wanted to try Thai street food, but when I was looking, a lot of them just had ingredients that I just did not have access to. And I know that we can substitute, but I wanted to do something as authentic as I could. And this one's also super easy. We only had to buy 2 ingredients, which was the sweet potato and the tapioca starch, which I think some people have already. So this is super easy, so hopefully it comes out really nice. And it's also super cheap. And I would kind of argue this is pretty good for you, right? Sweet potato. So maybe that'll be awesome. And then also, we're not frying these, so these are fried. Of course, because they're street food, why would they not be? But today we're not doing that because we're gonna be skinny legends, and we're going to put them in the air fryer. This is like really this is coming together. Do you see this? Wow, cute. Okay, so no. Okay, yes, that's probably not allowed. Why did I do that? Now it's gonna be.
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
I don't know.
Not either.
I don't know.
I have to think this through.
Okay, should I just like, oops. Oops.
Sure.
Didn't mean to do that.
We're doing it.
I just kind of like, see, like, I just think like putting it in the flour is the best way to go, because it just like gets all the crevices like immediately. So do you want to try the batter?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna edit this, right?
No. Is it good?
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure it's a health code violation.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What are you talking about? It's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay, let's do this. Let's just see how they come out for funsies.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, we didn't preheat the air fryer.
Yeah,
It's
we
gonna
did.
be so loud. No, I didn't. What? That was like an hour ago. You think it's been on that long? Okay, so now we are going to fry them. I'm gonna use our air fryer. I had to preheat it because it's really loud, so we had to cut the camera off. But we're only gonna do 4 right now because we're not that hungry. We already had dinner. And also I'm like wanna be able to tweak them if I need to. So hopefully these turn out really good. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna spray these with this. It doesn't say to do that, but I'm leaving it. So I put it at 400 for 9 minutes, and if that needs to be lowered or what's the other word?
Raised.
Yes, thank you so much. Raised. I will do that. Also, I'll probably end up flipping them at a halfway point when I check them. So if you're making these at home, do that. Okay, so we pulled them out, and I guess we should show them what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Okay, listen, I don't think that they're burnt. Okay, I wanted them a little crispy. So we're gonna try them by themselves, but I also made kind of like a butter maple syrup sauce. And then this is my boyfriend, Eric. He's gonna be here at taste testing with me today. Okay, that was interesting. It was like pulling apart. You have to take some. You have to review it. You have to be in the shot. Okay, ready? I would do that again.
That's not bad.
I think these are really good. It's like super cheap. So yummy. Oh my god, I definitely could see like these fried though. Do that. Do that. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I think they're really awesome. I'm gonna put the website I got it from in the description below. Thanks for watching my video. If you made it all the way, I'm sorry. So anyway, we're gonna go. Bye.